write as a single logarithm. So we have 4 different expressions. We're going to try and use everything we know about logs, log laws, and some algebraic manipulations, and anything we can do to try and simplify these as much as we possibly can. So the first one, part A, is log 2 plus log 7. Log 2 plus log 7. So this is simple enough. You can just use the first law of logs. So when you've got the sum of 2 logs in the same base, you can just take the log of the product of those. So that says this is just going to be log of 2 times 7, which is log 14. So we've answered the question because this is now a single logarithm. You can only see the word log once. That's what single logarithm is. Part B, log 6 minus log 3. Log 6 minus log 3. So here we're going to use the second law of logs, which is the complete opposite of the first law. So when you've got the difference of 2 logs, you can take the log of the quotient. So this is going to be log of 6 over 3, not 3 over 6. 6 over 3 is 2, so this is just log 2. Part C, 2 plus log 9. It's a bit more complicated. 2 plus log 9. So we need to use any log laws, we need to write 2 in log form. So basically 10 to the power 2 is 100. So you could call 2 log 100. Log, so that equals log 100 plus log 9. So I'll just explain that briefly. This means, remember, log 100 means what power do you have to raise 10 to? Because log, if you just raise the word log, it means log base 10. So what power must you raise 10 to in order to get 100? Well, you know that 10 squared is 100. So that's just another way of writing the number 2. The reason for doing it is now we can apply the first law of logs, which is just exactly the same as over here. We can multiply the 100 and the 9. So equals log 100 times 9 equals log 900. And part D is log 49 over log 1 over 7. So this is a bit tougher. Log 49 over log 1 over 7. It is definitely tougher, but hopefully you've recognized that you can, 49 is a power of 7. 49 is 7 squared. And 1 over 7 is also a power of 7. It's 7 to the power of minus 1. So I'm going to just write that down. So equals log 7 squared over log 1 over 7 is 7 to the power minus 1. Now the third law of logs says you can move the power to the front. So let's just do that and see now, then we should get something that simplifies quite nicely. So this log 7 squared we can write as 2 log 7. So this equals 2 log 7 over, well, it's going to be minus 1 log of 7. And if you look at that, well, this is going to simplify to a really, really nice number. You've got log 7 over log 7 is just 1. And then you've just got 2 divided by minus 1, which is minus 2. So this whole thing just simplifies to minus 2.